Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Here let's scroll down to find this section, which is tightly connected with the ringtones, and tap on Phone Ringtone, which is assigned to incoming calls. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top of this list here, we've got the option no ringtone, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And right here, we've got also the option custom ringtone, which means that right here we will have the ringtones which we've downloaded, for example, or recorded, so our voice, and you will be able to set it as your ringtone after tapping on it. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it, and then your device will play it to you, so you can decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I like this one. So all we have to do is to make sure that the option is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.